In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can easily create a free account on Zoom. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. The first thing you want to do is come over to Google, and then you want to go ahead and search for Zoom. And then once you search for Zoom, you need to come over to zoom.us, which is this one here, or you can go to the download center and download Zoom to your PC or laptop. So click on zoom.us. And then what you will get is this page here, and what you need to do is just simply come up to the sign up it's free option in the top right corner. And then once you've clicked on that, all you need to do is go ahead and put in your date of birth. So now I've gone ahead and put in my date of birth. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And then you're going to have to go ahead and enter your email address. It doesn't have to be a work email address, it can also be a Gmail address, so go ahead and put that in. So I've gone ahead now and I've put in my Gmail address. What you can do now is click on sign up. And then what that will do is it will send an email to your Gmail address for you to go ahead and confirm it. So obviously they've sent an email to my Gmail. Click on the confirmation link and then you'll be able to begin using Zoom. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.